Hey, it's Steve from Tower Genius. Want to talk real quick about the question that comes up weekly at Tower Genius from landlords is, what are the cell tower lease buyout tax implications if I sell? And we're not a financial advisor. We can't give you tax advice. You really, if you're gonna sell your rental stream, you definitely need to talk to your CPA, your tax advisor, and find out for your particular situation, what those implications are. But with that said, lots of cell site landlords do end up selling their rental streams either for a lump sum or for installment payments. I'm not a huge fan of installment payments. The installment payments are typically a bit higher, but here's the thing. You definitely can do a 1031 exchange. That is, like kind transfer. The equitable interest that is transferred, that is that easement for the rights to your future cell tower rent, and you can take that as long as you're working with a commercial broker and a qualified intermediary, a QI that does 1031 exchanges. You should have no problem actually doing one of these if you're working with a tower company or with one of these lease buyout firms. So, they're very familiar with the process. What you basically need to know, you got to identify 1031 exchange, a commercial property that qualifies. And basically, you've got 45 days from the time that you actually that your funds, the deal is funded, right? So you got 45 days. You got a window of a month and a half to identify that property, and then you've got a total of 6 months to lock that up. So you just got to make sure you time these things right. It can be a little bit tricky when if there are questions about how your deal is structured and whatnot. So you want to get your ducks in a row. Talk to your CPA, talk to your commercial real estate broker, and make sure you have a qualified intermediary. It's a tongue twister, man. Get your QI lined up that is qualified to do the 1031 exchange. And if you have questions about the value of your cell site lease, the valuation, questions about the transaction, give us a call at Tower Genius. I mean, we've been looking at these things for like 14 years now. We've seen countless lease buyout proposals. We can tell you the good, the bad, the ugly. We know what language needs to come out of those purchase and sale agreements, what needs to be added, and we are not a law firm. So I always encourage people, talk to your lawyer. We'll work with your attorney. We've advised hundreds of attorneys on these types of transactions. So give us a call at Tower Genius. Their number is 888-313-9750, or visit us at towergenius.com. And if you like the content, give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment below here on YouTube, and have a great day.